Hi friends, this video shows how to set up Telegram channel on OpenClaw. So first I am going to run this command OpenClaw onboard. Run this command. Then here select yes. Then select quick start. So let me select open router. Set open router API key. Let me enter the API key of open router here. Go to this website openrouter.ai settings/keys and here click on create API key. I already created one API key, so let me paste that API key. Let me paste API key here, then enter, and here we need to select one model. Here I will be selecting this model open router Google Gemini 2.5 flashlight preview. Select it, then select Telegram channel here. So here you can see list of channels. Let me select Telegram. So here we need to enter token of Telegram bot. Go to Telegram app, then type @bot further, then select bot further, then click on start. Here we need to type /newbot. Then we need to set name for new bot. Done. So now it has created new bot here, and here you can see the token. Copy this token, copy, then paste here. Enter. Configure skills now. Let me skip. Select no. Let me select skip here. Press space button, then enter. So now it's setting up gateway service. Done. Now it's asking how do you want to hatch your bot. Let me select this first option, hatch in terminal UI. Let me test. Let me run this prompt. List all files in my root directory. See, it's working. Let me go to Telegram, then test. Click on this new bot. Click on start. And here we need to pair. Copy this command. Then exit from this terminal UI, paste here. Then again go to Telegram, copy this code, pairing code, paste here, then enter. Done. So now I have successfully set up Telegram channel. So let me test. Go to Telegram bot. Let me run this prompt. List all files in my root directory. Let me change this prompt in a table format. See, it's working. So this way we can set up Telegram channel on OpenClaw. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.